Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the BIOS firmware update required error in Call of Duty Warzone. First, restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. As your computer starts, repeatedly press the BIOS key. Once you're in the BIOS, look for the Boot or Security tab and find the Secure Boot option. If it is available, change it to Enabled. If Secure Boot is grayed out or you cannot enable it, look for the CSM, also called Compatibility Support Module. If CSM is enabled, disable it or change the boot mode to Windows UEFI. After doing that, return to the Secure Boot setting and enable it. Next, find the TPM setting in the Security section. On Intel systems, this is usually called Intel PTT. On AMD systems, it is called AMD FTPM. Enable the appropriate option for your processor. After making these changes, save the BIOS settings by pressing the key shown on your screen, usually F10, then confirm and let your computer restart into Windows. Once Windows loads, launch Call of Duty Warzone again. The BIOS firmware update required message should no longer appear. Thanks for watching.